Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hair oiling is an age-old practice that people have used for centuries to promote healthy hair growth, prevent hair fall, and enhance overall hair health. But to ensure maximum benefits from a hair oiling routine, learning how to apply oil to hair is vital. So in this video we will talk about the right way to oil your hair for maximum benefit. Step 1. Choose the right carrier oil. Carrier oils can be used alone or in combination with essential oils. Coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed, olive, almond, and avocado oil are some popularly used carrier oils. You may choose light oils like grapeseed or almond in case you have a greasy scalp. Step 2. Choose your essential oil. You can choose an essential oil based on its properties and your hair type and needs. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender, or sandalwood must be diluted in carrier oils, since they can be too strong and cause allergic reactions. You may use 15 drops of any essential oil per 6 teaspoons of any carrier oil for 2.5% dilution. Step 3. Heat the oil. Heat your oils for a few seconds till they are warm. Using warm oil will allow for deeper penetration through your hair, cuticles, and seal them to keep your scalp moisturized. Step 4. Massage your scalp. Gently massage the oil into your scalp for a few minutes using circular motions. Work your way across the entire scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. After you are done with the scalp, gently work your way to the ends of your hair. Step 5. Wrap a warm cloth around your hair. Tie your hair into a bun and wrap a warm cloth around your forehead. This causes your pores and cuticles to open up, allowing for deeper penetration of the oils into your scalp and hair follicles. Step 6. Rinse it off well. After applying your oil, you can leave it on overnight and wash it off thoroughly with shampoo the next day. Try using normal or cold water to rinse your hair. Nourishing your hair with oil is like keeping your body healthy and nourished with food. You should feed your hair with oil every now and then to make sure it stays healthy, thick, and lustrous. Follow the steps to oil your hair the right way and get the full benefit. That's it for this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.